Congrats. And hey, happy early birthday to Hector. Got new drones kicking. Yeah. And it's first trip, Joshua Tree.
First trip.
What do you think?
Excellent.
Awesome, dude. Good job, man.
Thank you,
awesome.
brother.
Yeah.
We ended it good, huh?
Fuck yeah, dude. Woo! Happy 48th birthday, Hector. We went to Trash Can Boulders at Joshua Tree to warm up, and then we actually met Mike at the main gate of Joshua Tree. So great to see Mike as always. Good friend, good climber, strong climber. And then we just started warming up on the Gripper Traverse. Really kind of cool. So enjoy from here. Uh-oh, barefoot special. He's up in the game. I might have to try that barefoot.
Yeah.
My feet keep slipping on the flip-flops.
Yeah, I saw that. Barefoot climbing's a thing, dude.
Yeah.
It's a real thing. So, Drama tried to do it in Rampage.
Oh yeah, I remember that, dude.
Yeah. That spot right there is a little tricky. Yep.
Yeah, that edge is definitely tricky, dude. Nice, Hector. Yeah, come on.
Come on, get it.
Yep.
Cross. Come on. Yeah.
Yes, nice. Come on.
Nice.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh yeah,
There
come on,
you
Hector.
go. All right.
Come on. Yes. Awesome,
There
dude.
you go. Lean in on it. Lean in on it. Get both your feet over there. Get them both over there. Fuck yeah.
Come on.
There you go. Pendulum. Use your feet to push yourself over.
Come on,
yeah,
dude.
There
Yes,
you go.
come on.
Good finger lock. Good job.
Woo!
Yeah! Woohoo!
That felt good.
You okay?
Yeah. Ah, yeah, that is a
Hey,
bird.
that left hand and that lock is really good, huh?
Yeah, that felt really good.
Good job on that.
Good burn, dude.
That's very good. Get you going. Whew.
Did that coffee perk you up?
It sure did.
Good. Yeah, so if you ever go into like an espresso shop or anything like that, just get a double espresso, because that's what that is. No milk, no sugar, just coffee.
Just coffee,
And you know, you don't have any calories, you don't have anything like that to deal with.
Yeah.
So it's super healthy, super good for you, and it gives you exactly what you need.
Nice.
And it's going to be the cheapest thing on the menu. And you can handle it.
Yeah. Yeah.
So, there you go. on, John. Send this fucking thing.
You got it.
Get it over until it's over on this one. Come on. Like literally, the match is really hard.
Oh, up there?
Yeah. Come on. You know what it is. There it is.
Ooh, yeah.
Come on, you know the move. There. Ah.
Wow.
John, you know it. You know what to do. Why you look confused?
That's burning, dude. I started stressing.
Yeah.
I'm good with it, though.
I know.
I actually like the...
Give you something to work on next time you come here.
Oh, dude, that's all part of it. Good, dude. It's good to have a chuckle. Testicles.
Testing, testes, testes 1, 2. Testes 1, 2.
No way. No way, John. Dude, it's scary. Nice, dude. Isn't that crazy?
Yes.
That's what took me like 10 tries last time. It was a fear factor.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, I did have. I could have. I do have. Oh well, no, not that much.
Yeah, but that's
Just zoomed in.
the way your fly position is, dude.
Holy shit!
Yeah, that's no joke. Fuck! Dude, that's scary.
It is. Well, just a little. I'm losing. Every time I go on there, I'm getting less scared.
Great go, dude.
Right?
I saw you gripping. I saw you gripping. Dude, that was awesome.
I'll do it. I'm gonna try it again. We have to get it. One of us has to.
Yeah, that's a good point. One of us has to get it.
Yeah.
Keep pushing.
You see how I
Yeah, dude, that was wicked. Dude, that was awesome.
Yeah, I got it on the
Yeah.
next one. I got it.
Yeah, take a breather, dude. That's awesome. Yeah, you got that. Your foot was like awesome.
As soon as I get that one in there, I need to get the other one. You do it a completely different way. Though.
Did I do it?
Yeah, your feet are out. Boom, 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 boom.
No, I just said fuck it.
Nice. do it so fast now.
Yep, get your feet up fast. Go fast, go fast. Pull. Push out your hands. Push out your hands. Yes. Yes, yes. Come on. Push. Use your feet. Push your toes. Yes, come on, come on, come on. Push. Push. Get your feet up. Yes. Come on. Push. Get on your hands. Come on. Push with your hands. Yeah. Come on. Yes. Come on. Push. Yep. Come on. Bring your knee up. Bring your knee up. Bring your leg up. Yeah. Woo-hoo. Yeah. Dude. Dude, congrats, that was wicked. Way to go, man. Freaking awesome. Yes.
That tired the shit out of me.
Woo! Now that is inspiring. Freaking awesome. Congrats, dude.
Thank you.
Hey, that's your birthday send.
Yeah. Yes, good.
Dude, that was awesome.
But it all helped. What I was doing
Yeah.
before, now.
Yeah, it's like all the little subtle movements and stuff was freaking awesome,
Yeah.
dude.
I really wanted to get it the way I felt because I felt, you know, but.
Well, now you know you can get it.
Mm-hmm.
Try your beta, right?
Yeah.
Now you know how to weight your hands,
Yes, yes.
right?
Yes, yes.
Yes, come on, come on. Woo! Sick, sick.
Yep. See how unscared I was to put my foot as high as I could?
Compliments, dude. I saw the camera running. Congrats. And hey, happy early birthday to Hector. Got new drones kicking. And it's first trip, Joshua Tree.
First trip.
What do you think?
Excellent.
Awesome, dude. Good job, man.
Thank you,
Freaking awesome.
brother.
Yeah.
We ended it good, huh?
Fuck yeah, dude. Woo!